In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, question number 4. And question we have, if an investment of 8,000 accumulates to 8,400 in 7.5 years, the annual simple interest rate, right? First of all, I will write down the formula, the same formula for the simple interest I will write down here. Then we will see what is given. If the investment, it means P is given, we have 8,000 we are going to invest today. After 7.5 years, its value will be 8,400. N, M, I, right? So interest rate, at what interest rate it will accumulate 8,400? Now see, it is 7.5 years, means 7 years and 6 months. So see, we have months. It means we will consider M as 12. There are 12 months in a month, in a year. So 12 multiplied by 7, because there are 7 years, right? It is 84, and then this is 6 months, it will be 90. One more time, why I have mentioned 12 here? If we have years and a part of years, maybe in the form of months or weeks, so if it is months, you have to consider 12, because there are 12 months in a year and we have 7 years. So 12 multiplied by 7, 84 months. We are not going to write down years, we have to convert this year into months. So total is 90. So here see, Sn equal to 8400. We will just put the values here. This is 8,001 plus I, we have to find out. N is 90, so we can write down 90I and 100 into 12. So it is 8,001 plus 90I over 1200. So see, this 8,000, just take it on the left hand side, or I can do this in the next step. So you will see first. First we will divide this. 90 divided by 1200, which is equal to 0.075 I. I is the interest rate. Now we will take this 8400, because 8400 is multiplying with this. So on the other side, it will divide 8400. So now we have 1 plus 0.075 I. So when we will divide 84,000 divided by 8,000, it is 1.05. 1 plus 0.075 I. So now take this minus to the other side. It is 1.05 minus 1, which is equal to, this is just the basic simplification. We are simplifying it. So it is 0.05, this minus 1, which is equal to 0.05. Point 0.05, right, is equal to 0.075 I, or I is equal to 0.05 divided by 0.075. So when we will divide it, we will get 0.075, 0.6666. I can write down here 0.6666%. This is the interest rate. So see, initially you have 8,000 and you have invested. After 7.5 years, you have 8,400. So the interest rate is 0.666%. Practice this question. If anything is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.